Did you know that the first 60 days of your Google Local Service Ads campaign determine whether you dominate or disappear? I've seen businesses go from dozens of calls a week to complete radio silence just because they didn't know about Google's algorithm. Today, I'm breaking down what happens behind the scenes of your Google Local Service Ads account in those crucial first 60 days and make sure you don't lose thousands in potential leads. I'm Ryan Steinolfson, founder of Accelerate Marketing. We've recently published a blog called LSA Liftoff or Lead Loss. And in it, we shared a real story of a roofing company that started strong, but lost all momentum because of one mistake. Let's break this down. So here's what happened. A roofing company launched their local service ads, and at first it looked great. The phone was ringing, the dashboard showed tons of leads, and everything seemed on track. But behind the scenes, they weren't responding to inquiries fast enough. Their reviews were inconsistent, and their account was fully optimized before launched. After about 60 days, their lead volume completely tanked. Here's why. First, they had an inconsistent response rate. Google tracks how quickly you reply to leads. If you ignore or delay responses, your ranking drops. Next, they were irregular with their review collection. They'd get a batch of reviews one week, then nothing for weeks. That inconsistency tells Google your business isn't actively engaging with customers. Lastly, they lack strategic setup. They miss critical optimization steps during launch, like selecting the right service categories and locations. So even though Google wanted to give them leads at first, the algorithm learned they weren't maintaining engagement. The result? Total drop-off. The first 60 days of your local service ads campaign are everything. Google is basically testing your business to see if you can handle the volume. If you prove you're responsive, consistent, and credible, your ad stays visible and lead flow grows. If you don't, Google deprioritizes you. And here's the hard truth. Once your LSA or Google Local Service Ad performance drops, it can take months to rebuild that trust. At Accelerate Marketing, we make our clients never fall into that trap. Here's what we do differently from day one. Proper Google Local Service Ad setup before launch, so Google knows exactly who to send you leads from. Response time monitoring. We track every lead to ensure no call goes unanswered. AI-powered lead response. Automation that replies instantly, boosting engagement, rates, and rankings. Review strategy implementation, because consistent reviews are fuel for your local service ads visibility. Ongoing optimization. We don't just set it and forget it. We monitor, tweak, and keep performance climbing. The roofing company in our case study learned the hard way. When you ignore the first 60 days, you lose Google's trust and leads that come with it. But with the right setup and strategy, your local service ads campaign can become your #1 source of inbound calls, guaranteed leads that convert into real revenue. If you want to dive deeper into this case, check out our full blog post at the link in our bio or on the screen. And if you're ready to launch your local service ads the right way, reach out to us at Accelerate Marketing. We'll help you dominate those first 60 days and turn Google into your best salesperson.